Okay guys, hello today, and this is the good day for me, and yeah, I want to show you how to trade my style with no indicator, and how I use the pen tool for this trade, and yeah, check it out for find some result for the trading, and you will to know how to learn uh, some strategy for me. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like comment for more video like this. Okay, before I get started, I want to explain this is the epic pen for drawing line and circle, this sphere and a row. Yeah, you can use this for this trade. Have a lot help you a lot of for trading. Okay, if you want this tool spec pen, please comment below this video. I will to give you, right? Okay, let's get started to find the money. And what this is the ABC. ABC, this is the ABC, the upside, and it's the broke. It's the broke. It's the broke ABC. I will buy, right? I put buy. This is the ABC. ABC. Okay, find another setup and find a good payout for the market. Okay, this is the uptrend. This is the low and broke resistance, and this is the good best entry for me, but I let for this market, right? This is the good entry. Okay, this is the downtrend. Find another good setup, and this is high broke high. Is this confirm formation for the buy? Let's take single flag. It's broke. It's broke this candle. I will put the buy, right? What is already touched? Okay, now it's broken. Oh, high and broke. This is good confirmation for me. Try to test how I. Okay, let's go. Okay, I have double. Why I double this? Because of the market which can be some point of the rejection. This candle and this candle, and this is the best trade for me, right? This is the best trade. Good. It's called the gold trade. good trade and self of trade. Sometimes it's slow and sometimes uh, it's win because how I this. Okay, that's really win. This is my lucky day, man. This is my lucky day also. Okay, let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, let's find another setup. Good luck for me and see weddings red. Go find the good setup for me. My season trading always 4 or 5 trade a day. Don't trade below your account, alright? That is risky anytime. This is the downtrend. This is downtrend. The market can be swap like this, right? Find another good setup. This candle will go down like this. Let's go down like this. I will put the right here, right? This is the ABC of the downtrend and can be shrunk, right? This because of the broke ABC. I know this market is can go down because this is the ABC from the downside, and yeah, this is the downtrend, man. The downtrend market is going and go down. The market, right? It can be happen for this. I have a lot of setup for this. The goal reason for me, and I try to put for this candle. This is the ABC from the downside and broke previous swing. This is the good sell for me. 9, 8, 4, 3, oh, but yeah, so close, man, so close. This is my lucky day for me, man. This is my lucky day for me. Yeah, that is enough for today. And if you want to know and like and this with all my strategies to trading, and don't forget to comment and like subscribe for more video. I will do video every day for you if you like the trading and find the money when you after working. Okay, thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck, friend, and bye. Peace out.